Right. Good morning. Right, this is what I've been doing. Basically, I've been dealing with the bonnet and bits. That's the bonnet that came off that. Yeah, and it was in that shape. But now it's like the new bits that we're getting, because I rubbed it all off the paint, welded the bits that needed welded, fixed other bits like beating the steel and all that, and then sprayed it with that oxide, which is an etching primer like in classic cars, but that's the color that comes for these. And then you put war paint on it. Well, after the spray filler, basically. Anyway, I hung this up and I'm putting the spit on it, right? So the difficult thing about putting the bodies on a jib is the points where you're going to fix the body onto the jib, right? This moves like that, and usually when you put a full body on it, it has a chassis, so you just hook that onto the ends where the bumper goes, right? And it's fine. The Jaguar, we couldn't do it. It doesn't have a chassis. It has like a frame and a half chassis that doesn't go anywhere. This one is not even a full body, so it's weird. It has its own weird like points to bolt onto the chassis, but the problem we have here is that when I put a piece, 40x40 to go into there, it's skewed, you see. So what I need to do is cut there like that, take that triangle out, bend this back like that without cutting this side, weld it, and that'll be straight there, into that. And I've done one already, so you can see it. It was up there. You see, so I've done that. Basically, I measured it, and so that's straight onto that now. Need to do the second one, and then start looking at how I'm going to attach the back part to the jib. So I'm a blacksmith today. See you later, mates.